In this lesson, we are going to talk about the component mode in Maya. So let's create an object in the viewport. So I'm going to click on box. As you see, I created a box. So if I right click on the box, I can choose vertex, edge, or face, or multi. So let's take a look at the vertex. So if I click on the vertex, as you see now, I can select the vertices on the box, and I can select the vertex, and I can click on the move tool, and I can move that. I can right click and choose face. I can now select the faces and move them or rotate them or scale them. And you can right click and choose edge. You can select the edge too. You can move, scale, or rotate them. So now in order to exit the component mode, we need to right click and choose object mode. So now I can select the object. So if I want to go inside the component mode, I need just to right click and choose the vertex, edge, or face. And if I click on multi, I can select the edge, and if I hold shift, I can select the face at the same time, and I can hold shift and select the vertex at the same time. So this is very useful if you want to adjust the face or the vertex at the same time. Now let's take a look at the inputs of the box. So if I right click and choose object mode, so now I am inside the object mode or outside the component mode. And in the channel box, you notice here we have the inputs, and if I click on poly cube 1, you'll see here we have width, height, depth, and we have the subdivisions. So I can click on that and drag. As you see, I can add more subdivisions, so I can click there and drag to add more subdivisions on y-axis. And at the same time, I can go to the attribute editor, and I can go to poly cube 1. As you see, we have the same attributes in the channel box. I can move the slider. As you see, I am increasing the subdivisions. But let's say I adjusted the box, for example. Let's select the vertex there, and let's move it somewhere to the up. So now if I go to the object mode, and then if I go to the poly cube 1, and let's say I want to increase the subdivisions. So if I increase that, as you see, I destroyed the shape of the box. So make sure you don't play with these attributes after you make any adjustments on the box. So this is just for the initial manipulation for the box. So after you make any adjustments on the box, you cannot play with these attributes there.